Hello children, today I'm going to show you all how to use Limnu in your projects. First of all, you need to register an account and it only takes you a few minutes. And then you can access to the right board that all of your groupmates can edit, draw, and write at the same time on the board. So first of all, you can change the title of the board, like project discussion. And then you can click the share board button. There should be a code and a link for this board, and then all of the member can get to this board by entering the code here. And then now you can start. During the process of your project, you may need to share or draw how the growth stage of the plants. So you can use the pen here. To do the drawing, this is the line. Yeah, this is a line. And then how to use a pen, just click the pen. Yeah, and then you can choose the size to draw. I will just go through it quickly how to use. Okay, you may draw and do the coloring here. Yes. It's quite simple, right? So you all can do the editing at the same time, so it will be more efficient for you to do the project, right? Here you see here. So I love to use this function, add label. And you can undo, select, and you can make it larger, size, and then you can label it here. Always do. And then you can also add line here, like this. Draw a line, yeah, to point out. It should not be like that, or you can use to draw whenever you like. Yeah, like this. And then another useful function is to do the image. You can add image. Yeah. And then you can add the image like this. Yes. And then yes, almost the function is like this. So let's enjoy using these two in your project.